Big Sin. Thank you for tuning in, and I am up getting ready to do some stuff around the house. I took my shower this morning. I did my facial cleansing routine, brushed my teeth and everything. So now I'm about to make me a underarm mask for my armpits. I recently just stopped using antiperspirant and switched over to raw deodorant, and y'all, I have seen a lot of positive changes. I'll talk to y'all about that as I'm applying the mask, but for now, y'all can watch me make the mask. So what's cool about this is you could put this on your face too. But today I'm gonna use it under my underarms. So what we have is our Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. We're gonna use turmeric powder. And we're also going to use ACV, apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna also throw some water in the mix too, just to dilute the apple cider vinegar a little bit. First things first, we're gonna start by adding the Aztec clay. And for this, I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna use 2 teaspoons of our turmeric powder. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of ACV. And like I said, I'm gonna use some water to dilute the mixture. Well, mainly to dilute the ACV. So I'm gonna just use 1 teaspoon of water. Now that we got everything mixed together, I'm gonna use this little wooden stick I got. You don't wanna use anything metal with this. So I'm gonna just mix it together and add more of whatever I see fit. Y'all, I was wrong. I needed tablespoons. I still use a teaspoon. I need a tablespoon. That's why this is not getting, that's why the consistency wrong. Goofy girl. Now let's see. That's 1. Okay. Let's make it make sense. Here we go. You want it to get pasty. All right, you guys, so now that we have our clay mixture put together, let me talk to y'all about my transition from antiperspirant to raw deodorant. So it's November now. A couple of months ago, maybe like August, we'll say August, I decided I wanted to stop using, you know, traditional deodorant because I just wanted to see, I just really just wanted to experiment. And I also just wanted healthier alternatives for my body. And I've used natural deodorant before and I didn't really like how it worked out for me. I still would sweat, but that's the thing, you are still going to sweat when using natural deodorant. The key to that is your body has to get used to the natural ingredients, and your pores have to get accustomed to not being clogged up with chemicals and aluminum, all those harmful things. So yeah, initially you are going to sweat because your body is actually sweating out the bad stuff. But after that, after maybe like a couple of weeks, your body is like, hey, this is normal now. I started off just wearing the raw deodorant when I knew I was going to be at home all day, so I wouldn't be around people just in case I became a little musty. And you know, you just don't want to be out sweating and smelling when you're out in public. So for the most part, I just wore it when I was at home, or I wouldn't even put on deodorant or anything while I was at home. I would just let my pits breathe. If I became a little sweaty or whatever, it's fine. I'm at home by myself. No one's around me. So that's a tip there. Okay, so we gonna let this mask sit for like 15 minutes. Basically until it starts getting hard. You're gonna see it getting hard. You will probably feel it pulsating. That's the Aztec clay pulsating, but maybe I'll put another layer on here. I started there. I went like a week without wearing Dove. I would just use the raw sugar deodorant. And at first, I was sweaty and I was uncomfortable, but as the time went by, I started getting less sweaty. I wasn't musty. I thought I was gonna be musty. I actually wasn't musty. I was just a little sweaty because you know, you just sweat. And I don't sweat a whole lot, which I'm thankful for. I don't know if that's because I stopped using the deodorant, because when I was wearing antiperspirant deodorant, I feel like I sweat more. But once I transitioned out of that, I sweat my regular sweat, and then afterwards I still sweat, but not as much and for not as long. So I thought that was interesting. I said, oh, this whole time I'm thinking I sweat a lot, and it's not even me, it's the deodorant. It's the antiperspirant I'm using that has all the aluminum and chemicals in it. So then I said, okay, I'm gonna try to go outside and wear the raw deodorant and not wear antiperspirant. And y'all, mind you, I made sure I started doing this when the weather was cooling down. I wasn't about to try to do while it was still hot outside. So by this time next year, by next summer, I should be fine to just use raw deodorant, because I went to the previous year, I got ready in the wintertime. So when the summertime comes, my body is already adjusted. Another thing I also did was, after I got out of the shower, I used to put on deodorant. I stopped doing that. I just practiced sleeping without deodorant on. And y'all, I was not as sweaty and musty as I thought I was gonna be. The raw deodorant allows you to sweat naturally. You don't over sweat. I feel like with deodorant, with antiperspirant, you over sweat because your body is rejecting the chemicals that's on your pits. It all makes sense, y'all. Just think about it. These are what I use. This is the first kind that I used by Raw Sugar. The Eucalyptus Fresh Mint. This smells really fresh and clean. I really naturally gravitate towards fresh and clean scents. This is a bit more fruity, the beach rose and aloe, but it smells so good. I usually don't do fruity scents. I'm a clean scent type of girl. But this smells good. I got out of my comfort zone and tried something different. So I do like this. So the ingredients in the mask, the turmeric, it helps to brighten up your skin. It helps to make it glowy. It's an antioxidant. The ACV balances your pH. That's great, because if your pH is balanced under your pits, when you sweat, that'll help to deter the musty scent. You get what I'm saying? The ACV is also good for like acne. Like if you got bumps on your pits, you got razor bumps or even acne bumps. Can you get acne under your pits? The ACV is great for that. I think using raw deodorant really helps your skin stay bright under your pits because you're not using all those chemicals and your pores aren't clogged. Also, stop using the razor, y'all. If you have the luxury and the means to get waxed, please get waxed. Stop using razors, even Nair. Nair gives me razor bumps and burns. And I only use Nair. If I absolutely have to use Nair, I will. Like, I'll use Nair on my legs, but anything else, it burns me. It's the same as shaving to me. It gives me the same effects as like razor bumps and shaving. So I have not used a razor in like literally years. I've only been getting waxes. And that contributes to healthy skin under your pits too. Not putting a razor to it, not putting Nair to it. Underarm waxes aren't really that expensive either. They're like 20, 25 bucks. I think 30 bucks might be pushing it a little bit. I don't know, it's relative, but I'm gonna say between $20 and $30, you can get your pits waxed. Waxing lasts so much longer than shaving. When you shave, you gotta shave again 2 weeks later, even a week later, week and a half later, you gotta shave again. Who got time for that? You get a wax, you done for like 3 weeks. And then the more you go, the slower your hair grows. So get a wax, y'all. Like seriously, stop playing. Okay, it's been 15 minutes and I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this off my arms. The armpits are looking nice and refreshed. Nice and clean. So I recommend y'all do this at least once a week. Twice at the most. I think what I'm gonna do with the rest of this, I'm gonna put some foil over it and store it. And maybe do a mask tonight. Maybe put this on my face tonight before I go to bed. I think that would be fun. I'm about to apply. This smells so good, y'all. I'm about to apply my deo. And y'all can put this anywhere you might perspire a little bit. It's that healthy. That's today's vlog. Just showing y'all my mask, my armpits. If y'all want to get glowy armpits like this, stop using a razor, stop nearing, get waxed, and use this Aztec turmeric clay mask on your pits and your body. It's gonna change your life. All right, y'all, thank you. That's it. Bye bye for now.